Hello everyone, let us see the answers for the test yourself physical change questions. Which of the following is not a physical change? Making of ice. In this, what happened? Liquid water is converted into solid water. So, liquid to solid. Physical change. Change in state. Physical change. Heating of hexablade. There is a change in color. To know the actual concept, please refer the physical change, chemical change videos. Then you can easily answer all these questions. So in this, there is a change in color, which is also physical change. Crystallization, I already told you, crystallization is one of the best example for the physical change and the most important for competitive exams. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. They are asking not a physical change. So rusting of iron is the answer. Next. Which of the following changes in a substance leads to physical change? Change in size is a physical change. Change in color is also physical change. Change in state of substance is also physical change. So, all of the above. If you just by seeing change in size, if you opt the answer of option A, that is wrong. All of the above. All these are physical changes. Now, pick the physical change from the following: stretching of rubber, burning of wood, rusting of iron, photosynthesis process. Among all these, burning of wood forms new substance, photosynthesis also forms new substance, rusting of iron is also forms new substance. Stretching of rubber, in this no new substance is found. That's why answer is stretching of rubber band is a physical change. So in this, which of the following can be observed during physical change? Reversible process, no new substance is formed, not permanent. All these are the common properties of the physical change. So answer is all of the above. That's what carefully nowadays these type of questions are coming in competitive exams. All options carefully you have to read. So that's why in this all are belongs to physical change. That's why this all of the above is very, very important answer. Answer is all of the above. Thank you.